Everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I prepare a very tasty Nane stew or pig trotters stew or pig feet. It is easy, quick and so delicious. So if you are interested, let's get cooking. So for this recipe here I have got salted pig feet, and the first thing I'm going to do is to pre-cook it. So I'm going to put it in my pan and then add enough water to cook. So I've got here about, let's say, 2 liters. Then just to give it a little bit more flavor, I'm going to add in some chopped onions, but this is totally optional. Then I'm going to cover it and let it simmer. It's been cooking for about 10-15 minutes and I'm just going to check the pig trotters and give it a little stir and also check how soft it is. I want it to be soft. So let's put the lid back on and let it cook. In the meantime, I am going to pour some oil in my cooking pot and I'm using vegetable oil. Feel free to use any type you like. And then when the oil is hot, I'm going to add in some sliced onions. Then give it a little stir and let it fry until the onions become translucent. So it will take you about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm also checking on my meat and it's getting softer and softer. So let's get back to the onions. I am going to add in some tomato paste or tomato puree and I'm adding 1 whole tube. Next, I am going to stir it and then I'll leave it to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat to low. Hey guys, this is it now and it's been frying for about 10 minutes and now I am going to be blending some ginger, garlic, onion and scotch bonnet. If you want it hotter, please add more pepper to it. And I'm going to blend it together with my plum tomatoes. Before that, I am going to add a little bit of thyme. You don't have to, but it's nice. And also some knorr all-purpose seasoning. I really love this one. It has a very great taste. Then I'm going to stir it. Now that I have blended my onion, ginger, garlic and tomatoes with scotch bonnet, I'm going to pour it into my pot. Then I'm going to gently stir it. And then I'm going to pop the lid back on and leave it to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes on a medium heat. Hey friends, we are back and we are checking on our stew and it's been cooking for 25 minutes. You can see that the oil has started to settle on top. And one more thing I'm doing is I'm adding about a cup of my meat stock and trust me, it's going to give it a very nice taste. Just a little bit, 1 cup is enough. Then stir it, put the lid back on and let it cook for further 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat to low. And this is it. Basically our stew is ready. We could eat it now if we wanted to, but we're going to add some more seasoning. So I'm adding some Maggi seasoning. I have some smoked paprika. Actually, I don't know if you've noticed, but I always use smoked paprika in my stews. I really love it. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning knorr. And also, I'm going to add some mild curry powder, which is also excellent in stews. But of course, it is totally optional. You add the seasoning you like. But if you decide to to add my seasonings, you're going to love it. Then give it a nice stir. And again, pop the lid back on for about 5 minutes. Hey friends, we are back and it is time to add in the pig trotters. or pig feet or nane. By the way, some people also like to fry the pig feet or to pop them in the oven. You can also do that, but I don't like it that way. I prefer to add it straight away after pre-cooking it, but you do as you like. And now I am going to gently stir it, and guys, it smells so good. I really love this stew. It is actually one of my favorites. Look at this, just giving you a little close-up. Yeah, this stew is very quick and very easy to make. Guys, I popped the lid back on for a further 2 minutes, and now last but not least, I am going to add in some spring onions or salad onions. I really like it in my stews, but of course it is completely optional. You don't have to, but if you do, you know what I'm going to say, it's going to taste amazing. Oh, and by the way, you can also add some green bell peppers if you prefer that one instead, or both. Be creative. This is it, guys. I'm going to leave it for a further 3 to 4 minutes on the lowest heat possible, and that's it. This is it. My pig trotter stew is ready. Look at this. It looks amazing. It smells amazing. As a matter of fact, I am going to dish some stew so that you can see how great it looks. Look at this perfect stew. What are you going to eat it with? Me there, as usual, I'm going to eat it with my jasmine rice. And this is it, guys. This is the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, to leave me a message, to share my videos, and of course, most important, to subscribe. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.